So this tutorial is to walk you through how to do activity registration that will be only online this year. And to do that, you're going to go to our website, rvraptors.org, and at the very top menu, you'll see school registration and athletic registration. You're going to click on athletic registration, and then this will bring you to a new site, and you're going to scroll down and click on the athletic team registration icon in the middle of the page, and then it's going to bring up a registration login page. You'll click on the new users section, create a new account. You'll enter in the parent information, first and last name of the parent, and then create a username and a password and the email that you'll be checking for this account. After you've entered in that, you'll click sign up, and then it'll ask you to confirm your email address with the email that you put in. It'll send you an email, and you'll just need to click the link on there to continue with this process. And once you've clicked on that link, it will bring up this page. Congratulations, we have successfully confirmed your account. So then you'll click on that link to go to the account page, and then you can click on register, which will be underneath the parent name. So bring up a new page, and then you can add your student. You'll go through and add their first and last name. Fill in all the information that has an asterisk by it, and then click on next page. In this page, you can go through and select the activities. Click Control on a PC or Command on a Mac to select multiple sports within a season. Otherwise, if you're selecting a different sport in each season, there's no need to hold Control or Command. After you've done that, click Next Page, and then this is parent and guardian information. And again, enter all information where an asterisk is. This will allow you to continue on to the next page. So after you fill out the parent guardian information, that'll take you to step 4, which is physical forms. And all you need to do for this is take a picture of both pages of the physical and then upload them to this page. So when you upload the physical forms, the pictures that you've taken, you want to make sure that they are a JPEG, a PNG, a PDF, or a Word document. And you'll want to make sure that the document, whatever it is 2 megabytes or smaller. And if you're having problems with that, you can contact the athletics office. So once you've uploaded the files, they're the right size, the right extension, and you've added the date of the physical exam, then you're going to click on Next Page. And this will bring up step 5, medical information, and scroll down and you see medical conditions and allergies. These are things that we're requesting you add in there, as well as medication and purpose. So type in the medications and the purpose of those medications for your student, as well as medical contact information. And that is a emergency contact. You can add more than one if you want, but you're required to enter at least one for your student. So then you'll click Next Page once that is complete. And then in step 6, this brings up the heads up concussion form for you and your student to look at, read through it, and then after you've read through it, at the bottom there is an electronic signature. So you will check that box, and then your student, you will type in the student's name and the parent guardian's name after they've both read through that. And then after the heads up concussion form is the insurance waiver form. All of those boxes will be checked. And then there's another electronic signature form for both the parent and the student athlete. And then at the end, there is an electronic signature agreement again for both the student athlete and the parent guardian. Once you have checked all the boxes, signed all of the forms electronically, you'll click Next. And then this will show you the student's information, the sports that you have clicked that they will be participating in.
At this point, all you need to do is hit submit.
And then at this point, it'll bring you back to your account page. And at this point, you will see the student that we have registered. And if you have more than one student athlete in your household, you can go back and click on register on your account page. And you can go through the process again for each student athlete that you have in your household. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the athletic director secretary, Pam Kelly, at pkelly@rvraptors.org. And we hope you have found this useful, and go Raptors.